Hi, this is Richard giving you another Tuesday tip, carpet cleaning, and today we're just going to have a quick chat about dog hair. I've mentioned it previously before. It's dog hair and black fluff that gets caught up in your carpet. Now you'll see it and you'll start to see, especially with a light coloured or cream carpet, you'll start to see the colour start to change slightly, and this could be because if you're wearing black socks or you've got dogs, the hair and the fluff from the socks is getting intertwined and tangling with the fibres of the carpet, and it becomes part of the carpet, and the colour starts to change. Now we're just in a bedroom here, a rental property that we're doing for a client, and they have had pets. Now we've pre-hoovered and we've vaxed quite thoroughly. However, I'm not quite happy with some of the doorways where people are walking in and out and on the landing. So we've got a couple of little tools and a couple of little tips for you to show you how to get rid of it. Here we've got a rubber brush, and if you have a look, and Dan just zooms in here, you can see it's got some pimples on there, and also it's got a straight edge like a window squeegee. And what we can do, we can just rake the carpet, and then it will start lifting up some of this fluff. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration. I think Dan can see now, if he zooms in, some of this hair that I'm starting to lift up. I think you can see it there. Yeah, I'm just starting to get these fibres and hair that's been intertwined into the carpet. And if I just bring that into a little pile there, you can see just very quickly what I've lifted up from the carpet. Now if we're going to do larger areas, we've got this hand brush, as I say, for the smaller areas, but we've also got a broom, and this works on exactly the same principle. And here, got lots of rubber pimples, which will get into the carpet fibres, and it will lift and attract all that hair and sock fluff. Again, it's got the edge there for like a window squeegee, that we can use that edge just to bring it all together. So it's got a dual purpose, and you can see it quite clearly there, how that edge is bringing it all together. So if you do have a pet, or if your children or your husband or whoever is wearing black socks and you're fed up of getting all those marks on your carpets, get onto Amazon and get yourself one of these. Great piece of kit, and we use it all the time. Anyway, hope that's useful, and if we can help, just call 01327 342 594. Take care.